Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to private your Facebook account. First, go to Setting from the top right corner. Go to Setting and Privacy. Now click Privacy Checkup. Now on the first one, click Who can see what you share. Click Continue. Now you will see all your profile information. Email address is selected to Friends. Click on Friends and make it to Only Me. Then click Save. You can make other setting to Only Me. Then click Next. You can select default audience stories to Only Me also. Then click Next. Click Next again. Then click Review another topic. Now go to the third one, How people can find you on Facebook. Click Continue. Now select Who can send you friend request. It is selected to everyone. Select it to Friends of Friends. Then click Save. Now go to Next. Now choose Who can see your phone number and email address. Select them to Only Me. Then click Next. Then turn off this option. Then click Next. That's all. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.